Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tabitha Yont, the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors. And come on here and tell me hello. And if you're watching this on replay or live, come in here and tell me where you're coming from because I love to hear where you guys are coming from. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me and see me and all the good things because I am super excited to visit with you guys. So if you guys can hear me, give me a thumbs up or a heart or something because I don't know if you guys can hear me. We've had trouble all day going live, and I don't really know why, because there's really not a bad connection or anything. So I hopefully this is live and you guys can hear me, and I'm just going to continue. So by popular demand, dun, 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 we are going to talk about Tabitha's fall workshop this year. And I'm so excited to get started and tell you all about it. So if you have questions about it, let me know below and all the things. I hope you guys can hear me because everybody was saying the last time they couldn't hear me very well. And hang on just 1 second. See if I can figure this out a little bit. Maybe that was the problem. I don't know. So if you guys can hear me now better, let me know down below because I really need to talk about all the things with you guys. Okay, so we're going to talk about, I posted last week, what did you guys want to see on the workshop, the fall workshop? Because we always do a fall workshop. Sometimes it's in person, sometimes it's virtual, sometimes it's both. And we decided to do virtual this year for the fall workshop. And one of the things, you guys went crazy. And I know that you guys love the workshop. So, you know, this is just a popular demand thing. We kind of started to post it yesterday, and I know, I'm in my dining room, which I hardly ever do that. I know that's weird. I usually go live in my office, so here I am. I'm in my house going live because I'm doing all the things this Monday. Hopefully you guys can hear me and see me. Okay, so we're here in my dining room, and I'm scheduling everything out, and I posted last week, getting back to that, I always do a squirrel thing. So getting back to that, last week I posted about what should we do for the fall workshop. And you guys blew my phone up. I mean, I'm not kidding you guys. You guys were awesome. You guys told me exactly what you wanted to see and what you wanted to learn about and all the things. So we decided to do a really 3-day workshop online so that you guys could watch it on replay and all the different things. Sorry, somebody's trying to text me. All the different things. So we're going to get into this group. And what you're going to do is go, it's $10. It's a $10. I know everybody's been asking that. One-time fee. It's a one-time fee. You get access to the videos. We're going to have 3 days workshop. It's the 28th, 29th, and the 30th. So it's next Thursday or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So remind you, 28th, 29th, and 30th. Okay. We decided to do it in a workshop group. Because what that does is it lets you be able to watch everything on replay because we're going to do it step by step by step so that you guys can incorporate these in your own home. I know, let me know. Have you guys decorated your house for fall already? Have you started? Have you guys gotten lots of it done? But if this is something you guys like, I know that a lot of you guys, even women that love to decorate, or if they really challenged and they really don't know what to do, we can help you. We can inspire you. So you need to get into the decorating fall workshop. It's a one-time workshop, one-time $10 fee. And what we're going to learn about is lanterns, okay? I posted last week talking about that, and you guys blew up my phone, and we were talking about lanterns, and we were talking about dining room table settings, and we were talking about front door, okay? And you guys were telling me which ones you guys wanted, and a lot of you guys said all the above, all the above. So we decided to go ahead and do a 3-day workshop this time, and we will give you the schedule for that, and they'll be out 28th, 29th, and the 30th. And each day we're going to give you different tips and ideas. Now here, dun, 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 this is a new thing we've been doing and everybody is loving it. We're going to show you how to do these things. And then we're going to come back and give you the links to everything that we do. Okay. And it keeps telling me that I'm live. I'm glad that everybody knows I'm live. So we're going to give you the links to all the products so that you can actually go in there, purchase whatever you want, and you can incorporate it and buy it for your own home. I'm so excited for this, guys. This will be so awesome. I posted about it last week, and I didn't go live, and I haven't talked about it. I haven't done anything besides just really started posting it, and we already have like 14 some women in there. So go in there, get your spot reserved. We will be shutting it down next week. I think we'll probably be shutting it down maybe, I don't know, Lexi's not here, she's at school, but I think it's Tuesday is what we decided. So if you want your ticket, you want your spot, you have to get in before next Tuesday, I believe. Don't hold me to that one, but I do believe it's next Tuesday. And so we can get going because Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're going to be doing all the workshop lives. The lanterns, I do want to tell you guys what that actually consists of. For the lanterns, I'm going to show you how to incorporate whichever size of lanterns, what kind of stuff to put inside of them, all the things, okay? So, I'm in. Yes, Stephanie, I'm so excited. I'm so excited that you're going to go. You're in there. I seen your name, your sweet name in there. Okay, so we're going to show you how to what to put in there, how to measure for them, what all the little things that just makes them absolutely unique and cool. And we're going to do all of that. So we're going to do a tablescapes. I'm going to give you all the links to the tablescapes so that you can go in there and purchase them. I think I might give you a couple different hints with that and a couple different sections of how to incorporate. If you guys let me know down below if that's something you guys want to know, like kind of like dishes, like ceramic dishes, or we could actually do a couple different ones and show you how to use paper plates as well and how to really make those look gorgeous on your tablescapes. So there might be a couple different ones you're in. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the next thing is the front door. Okay, we're going to talk about what to put on your front door. I'm going to show you a couple different techniques that I love to use. I'm going to show you basically what doormats that I love, what I'm loving right now, what I see is adorable, how you can incorporate some of the things that you have, how to incorporate new things for fall, and how to get something that's pretty stable, because I always flank mine with with urns, which is basically planters. I'm going to show you how to decorate those up and to make a beautiful front door tablescape, okay? I always say tablescapes, front porch, and lanterns. So we're going to do all those three things for a mere small $10. So you have to get in there, guys. I know you guys have been asking about this, and I love you guys. I just literally posted about it, and there's women already in there. So that's amazing. We're so excited to have you guys, and that will be the 28th, 29th, and 30th. So make sure you share this and with friends and family, because you never know. Grab your girlfriends, come in and watch some of these things. And you can get inspired, and you can get some ideas. You may not use all of the ideas, but you can actually get inspired, and it gets your creative juices flowing, because we really want you guys to have the most beautiful tablescapes and everything to impress your guests and your, I don't know, friends, family, I don't know, whoever you have to for the holidays, which is exactly what you're wanting. And dun, 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 we have some awesome things for Christmas as well. So you guys are going to want to get in here. If we don't have your email, get on our email list. Get on our emails list. I believe the fall basket went out today. We gave tips and tricks and links all to that as well. So you're going to want to get in there, and if we don't have your email, give us your email. You're going to love it. I promise. We give all kinds of different, free ideas and inspiration and things like that. Okay, guys, this is what I wanted to talk to you about, is the fall thing. So we've talked about it. If you have any questions about it, or you have any concerns about it, or just, you're not sure, the link is at the top. So go to the top, the very top, and get into there. It'll be next week, 28th, 29th, and the 30th. Okay, guys, share this with friends and family, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.